Hello, my name is Jose Pablo, and I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to be talking about books, and I'm going to be talking about games, I'm going to be talking about a lot of stuff. And this video is going to be challenges, and it's going to be it's going to be my first video ever. So when I make this video, I want you guys to subscribe, and like the video. And I hope this video can come good to you, and you can understand this video. So I will talk about, if you don't know what Dogman is, it's a cool book about a dog and a man and a dog, police, and then they got an explosion and blah blah blah. But anyway, if you are into Dogman, then this video is for you. Okay, so this first video is gonna be about books. So I think all the books came out, so I'm gonna show you I have all of the Dogman books except the musical one, so I'm gonna bring them right now. Okay, so I got the Dogman books. These are actually all of them. These are all of them. This is literally all of them. Okay, okay, so this is spoiler alert. This has a spoiler, so I'm gonna be showing you the first book. The newest book. I'm gonna show you because it gives clues of what the 12th book is gonna be. So I will give some information and theories about it. Okay, let me get the book. Okay, I got the book. So this is Wuthering Heights. This is the book. This is the newest book. So I think I got an idea of what the 12th book is gonna be about. So let me just pause it. I'm gonna go to the page, okay? Okay, so as you see, they lost their house because a group of two sippy cups, they were destroying the city. So that means that they had to live at Dogman's house. So my first theory is that I think they're going to go to Dogman's house and that they're gonna live there, but maybe, and then ADHD will have to fix it again. I'm not sure, but that's my first theory. My second theory is that I think the nurse lady in chief may get married. Oh yeah, maybe that. There may be a new. Okay, that's my second theory. That maybe they're gonna get married, like nurse lady and chief. Or my third theory is gonna be that if it's maybe gonna have a new spray, a new very evil spray that Petey's gonna try to get or capture the spray, and it's gonna be a new. So now we know that we already know that Petey's good, and now he has a little son that he may clone. So yeah, I think those are my theories about the Dogman 12th book. So I hope you like this video. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna be playing lots of games with you guys. So if you give a sub, if we get 50 subs, I'll do a video of if the comment section's on. You can tell me games I could upload, so I will play the games. And the three winners that say the name of the game, only three winners. I'm gonna be playing 3 games that the 3 winners want me to play. So I hope you like this theory video about Dogman. Well, okay, bye.